Hello folks, my name is Larry. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I've got something that's very, I don't know, it just kind of happened by accident, but it's something I wanted to pass on to the YouTube world. I very seldom ever take my wedding ring off. You see right now it's dirty, filthy, but been on my hand for 17 years, married to one of the best women in the world. But what I'm about to show you is kind of pretty astonishing. You know, we always take our jewelry to stores wondering if we get the same jewelry back when you know, taking it in for cleaning. And something as valuable as this, I won't tell you what she paid for it, but I'll tell you that she really gets upset when she sees me walk into the house when the ring's all dirty. You see my hands, I'm a working man. I'm playing with the sawmill and mechanicking and doing all these Fred Sanford chores. But I've often wondered how to clean this thing here at the house. And I had this Cupran special. It's actually a paint remover for hands. I had it in the shop for 3, 4, 5 years, and I use it on and off when I want to wash my hands. And I took some of this one day and I actually just, let me open it up here. This one got some stuff squeezed out of it. And I was washing my hands and I took some of it as I was cleaning my hands, and you know, I got it all over the ring and just started rubbing it and 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 rubbing it. And I noticed that, man, the ring really, oh, let me put this back on there. Give me 1 second. I don't want this to run all over that nice piece of cedar wood that we cut the sawmill. But I just rub it and rub it and rub it a little bit. And the more you rub it, the shinier it'll be. And I noticed it by cleaning my old dirty hands, you know. And let me start off with saying I'm not endorsed or being compensated in any form or fashion by this company. I don't know who makes it. It just says Cupran Special. But after cleaning and cleaning and cleaning, we're going to dump it in here. Let me wipe my hands off. Oh, let me get it back out. I've had it in cold water and I've had it in hot water. But the stuff has a lot of like grit in it. Kind of like your regular hand cleaner. Oh, I got a mess. I got this stuff all over my hands now. Let me get it off my hands. Let me grab me a towel here. It doesn't wash off that easy once you get it on your hands, and it really cleans a lot of the dirt out of your hand, off your hand, around the pores and everything else. But let's just keep rinsing it off a little bit. It won't fall off by itself. And then you take your little shop towel or any kind of rag, something to dry it off and get the stuff out of the inside of it. And you don't have to, you know, take the ring off and clean it. All you got to do is put some on your hand. Look how it brought out that gold color. You seen how dull it was at the beginning. That's after about 3 days work and not cleaning them. Yeah, I know. Video should have been more professional, but like I said, I'm not being endorsed by them. Just something I want to pass on to y'all guys to show y'all that there's stuff out there that'll really clean your jewelry very well. You're gonna have to wipe it off real good. I ain't done a very good job of cleaning it off, but if you wash your hands a couple times, you'll see that your jewelry really turns out pretty nice without even having to take it to a jewelry store. Again, guys, it's just a little short video showing you how I accidentally found a way to clean the love of my life's gift to me for life. It looks a whole lot better, especially that gold part of it. Check that out. Hey guys, if you liked the video, hit the like and subscribe button. Again, this is just a short video how to clean your ring or any kind of gold jewelry you wear. I'm sure it'll look a lot better there, don't it? Look at that. Signing out. Y'all have a good day.